I spent 2 weeks in Japan and made every mistake in the book. I showed up without cash, ate at the wrong restaurants, packed completely wrong, and almost got kicked out of a temple, and I'm going to walk you through every single one so that your trip is better than mine. Japan is genuinely the most incredible country I've ever visited. But it has rules, unspoken ones nobody warns you about. Stick with me and I'll save you money, embarrassment, and at least one very awkward moment at an onsen. This is Ned Voyage, and if you're planning a trip to Japan, this video is your cheat code. Let's start with the one that almost ruined day one. Cash still matters. Here's what I wish I knew. I was starving in Kyoto, found the perfect 8-seat ramen spot, and it was everything I dreamed of. Rich, cloudy broth, tender pork. I finished every last drop. Then I tried to pay with my card. The owner pointed to a tiny sign, cash only. I had to leave, hunt for an ATM that took foreign cards, and sprint back to pay. That perfect bowl now had a bitter aftertaste. Fix. Get yen from a 7-Eleven or Japan Post ATM as soon as you land. Those reliably accept foreign cards. Use the English option, withdraw at least $20,000, roughly $130, and keep it on you. Small restaurants, shrines, local shops, even some stations are cash only. When you run low, pop into any 7-Eleven. They're everywhere. Yes, big stores take cards. The tiny, wonderful places you want, often cash. Quick tips. 1. 7-Eleven, Japan Post ATMs. 2. Withdraw Y20K, Y30K. 3. Keep small bills. 4. Refill every couple of days. I kept eating right next to major attractions. Sensoji, Fushimi Inari, Arashiyama. It was convenient, menus in English, photos of everything, but the food was expensive and forgettable. I paid nearly double for a meal half as good. Fix. Walk at least 2 streets away from any major landmark before you eat. The best meal I had? A tiny back alley place with no English menu. I pointed at what the guy next to me was eating. It cost $800, and it was perfect. Pro tip, at lunch, follow the salary workers. They always know. Use Google Maps and favor local reviews over tourist buzz. Step off the main drag, and your taste buds will thank you. Checklist, 2 streets back, small menu, handwritten signs, locals inside, short line, chuck or green light. I tried to fit Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka, Hiroshima, Nara, Hakone, even Nikko into 14 days. By day 5, I was exhausted. I spent more time in transit than actually experiencing anything. I had photos of famous places but few real memories. Fix. Pick 3 cities max for 2 weeks. Spend at least 3 nights in each, with 1 full blank day per city. Unpack. Learn your neighborhood. Find a favorite coffee spot. Slow travel wins in Japan. You notice details, the sound of a bell, moss on stone, a quiet street. Plan emptiness, no reservations, no checklist. Just walk and let curiosity lead. That's where the best memories happen. Template, 5D Tokyo, 5D Kyoto, 2 4D Kanazawa, Hakone, onsen town, 1 blank day per city, fewer moves, deeper connection. I walked into a temple in shorts, snapped a photo where I shouldn't, and felt the quiet disapproval. Staff were too polite to scold, which somehow felt worse. At an onsen, I almost stepped into the bath without washing first. A local saved me with a polite gesture. Fix. Spend 5 minutes reading site-specific rules. They vary. Dress modestly, move quietly, follow posted signs. At onsens, wash before entering, no swimsuits, towels stay out of the water, and absolutely no phones. Many onsens restrict tattoos. Seek tattoo-friendly spots or book a private bath. Download the Japan Travel app. It has etiquette guides built in. Sacred and communal spaces run on shared etiquette, a quiet language of respect. Checklist. Read rules, dress modestly, remove shoes, wash first, no phones, check tattoo policy. When unsure, watch locals and follow their lead. Show up aware and willing to adapt, and you'll always be welcome. I bought individual train tickets for 3 days and lost an hour daily at machines. Every ride started with low-grade anxiety. More than once I bought the wrong fare. Fix, get an IC card, Suica or Pasmo, at the airport the moment you arrive. Load Y5000 to start. You can top up from Apple Pay or Google Pay now. It works on trains, subways, buses, and even many vending machines and convenience stores. The difference is night and day. Airport kiosk, load Y5K, set up on phone, keep a small cash backup. Once I switched, transit became effortless. More exploring, less guessing. I avoided convenience stores at first. I pictured sad gas station food. I was so wrong. Konbini are incredible, high quality, affordable, and everywhere. Start with onigiri. The variety alone is worth it. The fried chicken? Legendary. Bentos that rival restaurants. Some of my favorite meals cost around Y500, Y700. Grab a coffee and Japan's shockingly good egg salad sandwich for breakfast. Plus, ATMs that take foreign cards, Wi-Fi, and often clean restrooms. Use Konbini for quick picnics, late snacks, and budget-friendly days. What are you most excited to eat in Japan? Tell me in the comments. Look, Japan is forgiving. People are kind, cities are safe, and even if you mess up, someone will probably gently help you out. Knowing these things ahead of time means more time enjoying and less time stressing. If this helped you, subscribe. I'm posting a full Japan itinerary breakdown next week covering where I stayed, what I ate, and the real day-by-day budget. Drop your Japan questions in the comments. I read every single one. If you've been already, share your biggest mistake. I bet it's worse than mine. See you in the next one. Safe travels and enjoy every bite.